Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. In this video of squares and square roots, we shall be taking few questions which are based on finding the square root of non-perfect squares by long division method. So let's start. The question is find the square root of 7, 2.5, 2 1 by 12, 367 2 by 7 correct to 3 decimal places. Now to find the square root of these numbers correct to 3 decimal place, we require 4 decimal places, because depending on the value of the 4th decimal place, we are going to correct the 3rd decimal place. Now to have 4 decimal places, we require 4 periods, right? Now this first part, that is to find the square root of 7, 7 is a whole number. It does not have a decimal part. So what we will do is, because we require 4 decimal places, we will make pairs of 0, 0, right? These are also known as periods. So we will have 4 pairs of 0, 0 to get 4 decimal places. So accordingly, we can say the first period is 7, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? So this is how we will write. Now we will take the first period, that is 7, and we have to think of the largest number whose square is equal to or less than 7. So clearly we can say 2 into 2 is 4. We cannot have 3 because 3 into 3 is 9, which will be more than 7, right? So now 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down the next period 0, 0, right? Now before starting with the decimal part, we will insert a decimal point in the quotient. That shows that we are finished with the whole number part and now we are starting with the decimal part. So after the quotient 2, I have put a decimal point, right? Now I have a dividend, new dividend 300, for which I need a divisor. For the divisor, I will take up the first quotient, that is 2, and I will double it. 2 into 2 is 4. Keep a blank over here, or you can simply add the newly added quotient, that is 2. 2 plus 2 is also 4. Now we have to think of a number what should come in the blank multiplied by the same number so that the product is either equal to or less than 300. So clearly we can keep over here 6. So we will have divisor 46. The quotient is 6. 46 into 6 is 276. Now 300 minus 276 is 24. Bring down the next period 0, 0. Now this is the new dividend for which we require a divisor. We will take up the new quotient. Now new quotient is 26. So we will take 26, multiply by 2, we will get 52 and keep a blank over here. Or just add the newly added quotient, that is 6. 46 plus 6 is also 52. Now think of a number what should come over here in the blank so that when we multiply by the same number, we get a product which is less than or equal to 2400. So after trials, I got 4 as the number which is more suitable. So I can have divisor 524 with the quotient 4, multiply it and get a product 2096, which is less than 2400. Now 2400 minus 2096, I will get 304. Now bring down the next period 0, 0. So my new dividend which I have to solve it now is 30,400, for which I need a divisor. Now my new quotient is 264, right? So I will take 264 and I will double it, that is multiply by 2, I will get 528 and I will keep a blank next to it. Or I can simply add the newly added quotient, that is 4, to get 528. Now what number should come in this blank, multiply by the same number so that the product is less than or equal to 30,400, which is our new dividend. So after trials, I got this number 5, which I think is more suitable. So I will say 5285 is my divisor. My quotient is 5, which I will multiply, and I will get the product 26425, which is less than 30,400. Now 30,400 minus 26425, I will get 3975. Further bring down the next period, that is 0, 0, right? Now this is the new dividend which I have to solve, for which I need a divisor. Now my quotient, new quotient, if you see over here, 2645, right? New quotient is 2645. So I will take it and double it. That means multiply by 2, I will get 5290. Keep a blank over here. Or simply we could have added the new quotient, newly added quotient, that is 5. So 5290, I can get that way also. Now in the blank, what should I keep and multiply by the same number in the quotient, and I get a product which is less than 397500. So after a lot of trials, I got 7 as a suitable number. So my divisor is 52907. Multiplied by 7, I'll get a product 370349. The difference is 27,151. Now I don't have any other period left, and I have already got 4 decimal places, right? Now I can say square root of 7 is equal to the quotient, that is 2.6457. These are the 4 decimal places. But in the question they are saying you have to find correct to 3 decimal place. So depending on the 4th place, which is 7. Now 7 is greater than 5. That means we will increase the 3rd place by 1 and have 6 at the 3rd place, right? So whenever the 4th place is greater than or equal to 5, it can be greater or equal to 5, then we increase the 3rd place, that is 5 over here, by 1. So we can say that square root of 7 is 2.646, right? Now let us take up second part. We have to find the square root of 2.5 correct to 3 decimal place. For calculating the 3rd decimal place, we have to find the 4th decimal place, because we have to correct the value of the 3rd place depending on the value of the 4th place, right? And for that we need 4 periods. For that we need 4 periods. So over here, since we have a number 2.5, we have a number 2.5, right? 2 is the whole number part, 5 is the decimal part. This is one of the pair, or you can say period. Then we have 5, we can make into pair by adding a 0 to it. Then we can have next period consisting of 0, 0. Then we can have next period consisting of 0, 0. Then we can have next period consisting of 0, 0. So as many periods as we want, we can just make pairs of 0, 0. Okay, so we wanted 4 periods, so we made 50, then 0, 0, then 0, 0, then 0, 0. So 4 periods we have got, right? So this is how we get the pairs. So over here you can see that first period is 2, then 50, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? Now we shall start with the long division. First period is 2. Think of a largest number whose square is equal to or less than 2. So clearly it is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now bring down 50. So our dividend is 150. Now because we have started with the decimal part, put a decimal point after 1 in the quotient, right? This is very important. As soon as you finish with the whole number part, you have to put the decimal point. Now 150 is the dividend for which we need a divisor, right? So now we will take the first quotient and we shall double it. 1 into 2 is 2. Put a blank over here, or you can simply add 1 over here, right? 1 plus 1 is 2. Now think of a number what should come in the blank and also come in the quotient, so that the product is either equal to or less than 150. So clearly we can have 5 over here, so that our divisor now is 25 multiplied by the quotient 5, and we get a product 125. Okay, so now 150 minus 125 is 25. Bring down the next period 0, 0. Now the new dividend which we have is 2500. New dividend is 2500, for which we need a divisor. So we will take the next quotient. Quotient is 15 over here. Now 15 we will double it. 15 into 2 is 30. Put a blank, or you could have simply added 5 over here. 25 plus 5 is also 30. Now we have a blank next to 30. What number should come over here, so that multiply by the same number we get a product which is equal to or less than 2500. So after a lot of trials I got 8. So I can say that 308 into 8 is 2464, right, which is less than 2500. So over here, my product is 2464 and I will subtract it from 2500. I'll get the remainder 36. Now bring down the next period 00. Okay. Now again I need a divisor. So I will take the quotient. Now quotient is my 158, right? My 158 is the new quotient. So I will take 158 and now I will double it. 158 into 2 is 316, right? Or I could have simply added 8 over here. That way also I will get 316. Now a blank is there. We have to fill this blank. Think of a number what will come in this blank. Multiply by the same number so that the product is equal to or less than the new dividend, that is 3600. Now clearly we can keep 1 over here. So over here I can say my divisor is 3161. My quotient is 1 over here and my product is 3161. The difference is 439. Now bring down the next period 00. So my dividend is now 43900, for which I need a divisor. Now quotient is the new quotient, which you can see over here, is now 1581, right? So I will bring down 1581 and I will double it, right? I will get 3162, or I could have simply added 1 over here. That way also I will get 3162. Now 3162, keep a blank over here. What number should come over here? So that when I multiply by the same number, I get a product which is equal to or less than 43,900. So if I keep 1, this is pretty close to this number, our new dividend. So I get a product that is 31,621, which is less than 43,900. So basically my divisor was 31621, my quotient was 1 and I got the product 31621. Now the difference is 12,279. This is my remainder. I can continue for more, but then I need more periods because for that I need more pairs, right? But we don't require, we want only till 4 decimal places. So I can say now I have my quotient 1.5811, that is 4 decimal places, right? Now depending on the fourth place, I will make the correction in the third decimal place, right? Now 1 is in the fourth place, which is less than 5. So there is no change in the third place. So I will say square root of 2.5, which was 1.5811, approximate it is equal to 1.581, right? The third place of decimal remains the same because the value at the fourth place is less than 5, right? Value is less than 5, therefore the value at the third place remains the same. So approximately the square root of 2.5 is 1.581. Okay. Now let us take up third part. We have to find the square root of 2 1 by 12 correct to 3 decimal places. Now this is a mixed fraction which we will convert into improper. 2 into 12 is 24 plus 1 is 25, 25 by 12. In the decimal form, we will write 2.0833. So we have to find square root of 2.0833 correct to 3 decimal places. That means we have to correct the third place depending on the fourth decimal place. To have the fourth decimal place, we need 4 periods after the decimal point, right? So to form the pairs or the periods, we will insert pair of 0 zeros, right? So this is how we are going to make the pairs. The first pair or period will be 2, then 08, then 33, then we can insert 00 and 00, depending on how many periods or decimal places we want. Since we wanted 4 decimal places, so total we have 4 periods after the decimal point, right? Now we are going to start with the long division process. First period is 2. Think of a largest number whose square is either less than or equal to 2. So clearly we can have 1 as a divisor, 1 as a quotient, because 1 into 1 is 1, which is less than 2, right? 2 minus 1 is 1. Further bring down the next period, that is 08. Now this is our new dividend 108. Now before starting with the decimal part, let us keep the decimal point in the quotient after 1, because we are over with the whole number part. Now we are starting with the decimal part, so we will put the decimal point. Now our new dividend which we have got is 108, for which we need a divisor. So we shall take the first quotient and double it. So 1 into 2 is 2. Further keep a blank. Now think of a number what should come in this blank, multiply by same number, we get a product equal to or less than 108. So after a lot of trials, I got 4 as a suitable number. I can say my divisor is 24, my quotient is 4, product is 96, which is closer to 108 and also less than 108, right? So 108 minus 96, I will get 12. Further bring down the next period 33. Now my new dividend is 1233. Now for this I need a divisor. So I will take the new quotient, that is 14 now, and I will double it. So 14 into 2 is 28. Further keep a blank. Think of a number what should come over here, multiply by the same number in the quotient, and I get a product which is less than 1233. So clearly I found that 4 is the suitable number. So I will keep 4 in the quotient, 4 in the divisor over here in the blank and 4 in the quotient, and I will get a product 1136, which is less than 1233. Now the difference is 97. Bring down the next period 00. So my new dividend now is 9700. This I have to solve. Now if you see over here, the new quotient now is 144, right? So 144 I will take and I will double it. So I will get 288. Keep a blank over here, right? Now think of a number what should come in this blank. Same number I will keep as a quotient, and product I should get less than 9700. So the suitable number which I found is 3. So my divisor is 2883. Multiply by 3, I got a product 8649. 9700 minus 8649, I will get 439. Further bring down the next period 00. Now my new dividend is 43,900, for which I need a divisor. Now I will take the divisor 1443. Okay, you can see over here 1443. Now this whole is my quotient, which I will double, and I will get 2886. Keep a blank over here. Think of a number what should come over here, multiply by the same number, and I should get a product which is less than 43,900. So clearly I can keep 1 over here. So my divisor is 28861. Multiplied by 1 in the quotient, I will get the product 28861, which is less than 43,900. Further, when I find the difference, I will get 15,039. This is the remainder which I've got, right? I will stop further division because I have got 4 decimal places, right? In the quotient, I have already got 4 decimal places. Now you can see that the square root of 2 1 by 12 is 1.4431. Now the fourth place is 1. Fourth place I have got 1, which is less than 5, right? When the fourth place is less than 5, the third place remains the same. Third place is 3 over here, right? So it remains the same. So approximately I can say square root of 2 1 by 12 is 1.443, right? Now let us take a fourth part. The fourth part is to find the square root of 367 2 by 7, correct to 3 decimal places. So over here this is mixed fraction. We will convert into improper fraction. 367 into 7 is 2569, plus 2 we shall get 2571 divided by 7. Further, if we divide by 7, we will solve, get decimal number 367.285711429. Now you will ask why I have taken 8 places after the decimal point. So because we have to find the square root correct to 3 decimal place, we need 4 decimal places for it, so that we can correct the value at the third place. Now for having the 4 decimal places, we need 4 periods. 4 periods into 2, that means each pair. So 8 decimal places total we require, right? So that's why I have calculated till 8 decimal places. Now this is how I will form the pair. Whole number part, I will start from right to left that is 67 is the first pair or period, then 3. For the decimal part, I will start 28, 57, 14, 29. Okay, so total 4 periods I have got after the decimal point that are important because I need 4 decimal places, right? Now we shall start with the long division process. First period is 3. We have to think of the largest number whose square is either equal to or less than 3. So clearly we can keep 1 over here as a divisor. 1 into 1 is 1. The product is 1. We cannot take 2 because 2 into 2 is 4, which will be more than 3. So let us keep 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Bring down the next period 67. Now the dividend is 267. Over here we need a divisor to solve it. If you see, the first quotient is 1. You will take the first quotient and you will double it. 1 into 2 is 2. Keep a blank over here. Think of a number what should come in this blank. Same number we will keep in the quotient so that the product is equal to or less than 267. So 9 is the suitable number which we can keep over here because 29 into 9 we can get 261, which is less than 267. Now 267 minus 261, we shall get the remainder 6. Further bring down 28. Now since we are starting with the decimal part now, after the decimal part we have the first period 28 which we have brought down. So what we will do in the quotient after 9 we will put a decimal point, indicating that now we are finished with the whole number part and we are starting with the decimal part. So this is the basic reason we put a decimal point over here, right? Now 628 is the dividend. We need a divisor. New quotient, if you see over here, 19 is the new quotient, 19. So double 19, that is 19 into 2, we shall get 38. Put a blank. Think of a number what should come over here so that it is less than or equal to 628. So clearly we can keep 1 over here. So now the divisor is 381, quotient is 1, and we shall get the product 381, right? Now 628 minus 381, we shall get 247. Bring down the next period 57. Now the new dividend is 24757, 24757, and the divisor we require now. Now if you observe over here, our quotient is 191. Now the quotient is 191. So we shall take 191, we will double it. So 191 into 2 is 382. Keep a blank over here. Think of a number what should come in this blank. Multiply by the same number. We shall keep in the quotient, same number we shall keep, so that the product is equal to or less than 24757. So we can keep 6 over here. So we have the divisor 3826. Multiply by 6. We get the product which is less than 24757. We are getting the product 22,956, which is less than the new dividend. Now find the difference. Difference is 1801, that is the remainder 1801. Bring down the next period 14. So the new dividend now we have is 180114. This is the new dividend for which we need a divisor. Now if you see, now the quotient is 1916, right? Now the quotient is 1916. So 1916 we will take, we will double it, that is multiply by 2. We are getting 3832. Put a blank. Think of a number what should come in this blank, and same number we should keep in the quotient so that the product is less than 180114. So we, after trial, I got 4 as a suitable number which I can put in the blank. So my divisor is 38324. Multiply by 4, I get a product 153296, right? Now find the remainder, that is the difference, that I will get 26818. Further bring down the next period, that is 29. So now I can say that my new dividend is 2681829, for which I need a divisor to solve. Now if you see the quotient, we have now 1, 1, 9, we have 1, we have 9, we have 1, we have 6, we have 4. So we will take 19164, multiply by 2, we will get 38328. Now keep a blank over here. Think of a number what should come over here. So after a lot of trials, I got 6 as a suitable number. So I can say 38328, 6 multiply by 6, right? I will get 2299716, which is less than the new dividend, that is 2681829, right? Now further calculate the remainder, that is the difference. So I will get 382113 as the remainder. So this is it. I will stop over here. I will not further solve because no more period is also left over here. After 29, I don't have any period. Though I have a remainder, but I don't have a period, I will stop. And as such, I needed only 4 decimal places, so I have got that. Now my quotient has come 191646, right? Now I will check my fourth place. My fourth place is coming over here. If you see, it is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So I will increase the third place by 1. So this 4 will become 5 over here, right? So I will say approximately the square root of 367 2 by 7 is equal to 19.165, or you can say 19.165. Why 4 is increased by 1? Because the fourth place is greater than 5. When the fourth place is greater than 5, we increase the third digit, the third decimal place by 1. So it is clear. So our answer is 19.165. So this is it. Hope you have enjoyed the video and learned about how to find the square root of non-perfect square numbers. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Have a good day ahead.